Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So today I'm so excited because this just came in. So this is the BEACHWAVER from LANGE. And if you don't know, I don't sell LANGE or anything. I just like to review their products, try them out on super long hair and see how they work and give you my honest review. So today we're going to try this thing out and do a first impression and see how it works. So I have not opened this box yet, y'all. Also, side note, if you like this makeup look, I just did a BoxyCharm unboxing for January, and this is our look that we got with our products that we got in the box. And y'all, I am loving it. Like, I love the, y'all don't mind my crazy hair because we're getting ready to fix it, but I am loving this look. I think it turned out really pretty. So if you like this look, y'all go check that video out to see how I got it. But okay, back to the hair. So this is what it looks like. You kind of can't see it because it's black. That's the only color that they had available when I ordered this. Also, if I sound like I'm out of breath, it's because I am. It's because I'm carrying a baby. So the oxygen is not flowing as good as it should. So y'all don't mind me sounding like a big walrus struggling on the beach. So this is what we got in our box. Like I said, I have not opened it or anything yet. So this is my first time. Okay, so here's our tool. This is what it looks like. So it's got two barrels here and then a barrel on the other side that presses in the middle to give you that wave. Okay, or crimp. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up. I know they usually don't take long at all to heat up. All their tools are pretty quick heating up. All right, so it's got this plastic piece on here. I'm just gonna peel that off. And it says off right now. So there's buttons on the side here. There's a power and then a plus and minus. So I'm gonna press the power button. So it looks like it automatically sets it on 400. And then you can go up or down with the plus and minus. I'm gonna put mine on the maximum 450. I always use the maximum just because I like things to go fast and I don't have time to sit here and wait, so I just pump that joker up. It also came with this like styling heat protectant glove, which I never use these things, but if you're someone who burns yourself a lot or you like to wear one of these because you touch the tool a lot, that's nice that it comes with it. Okay, so it's got some tips and instructions and things on the back for styling, but let's go ahead and jump in on this crazy hair. So my hair is, I washed it maybe like a day ago. I washed it, hadn't done anything else to it, hadn't straightened it, nothing. Like I didn't even blow dry this time, like just nothing. So I have no products in my hair right now, and I kind of try to leave it that way because I have found that some of their products make my hair really like sticky and crunchy. So I'm not going to put anything on it at first. If we're having trouble, then maybe I'll go in with something. And as always, I will link all the products we used today down below in the description through Amazon. Okay, so we're going to throw this top section maybe from like the top of our ears ish up. And I got these little styling clips from Amazon that I'll link. I love them. They hold my hair so good, and I have a lot of it, so I love that. I don't have to deal with a clip constantly like falling or sliding. Okay, all these sleeves are like massively long. Like this shirt is massively long. I think I got a large because I thought the pregnant belly needed room, but I probably could have gone with like a medium or possibly even a small. So y'all don't mind my like crazy looking sleeves. I'm trying to keep them up out of the way. Okay, I think I'm gonna start. Okay, we'll just start with a section right here and see. We're just gonna jump on in with this thing. These little bars have stopped flashing or loading, so I guess that means it's ready. So it has reached the temperature. So I'm gonna start at the top, press and hold. Work my way down the strand. We'll see what we get. Obviously it said the longer you hold it. Look at that. Okay. The longer you hold it, the more defined it'll be. So you can hold it, you know, for super long time if you want it really defined. I'm just trying to move quickly just to get some like tussled waves. I think this is going to be a really fun look, but I don't know, with all my hair I might end up looking like Mufasa. Or is it Mufasa? Simba? No, Mufasa. Yeah, Mufasa is the dad, I think. Might start looking like a crazy lion mane. So I'm just working, like when I pull it down, I move to where the last wave stopped and I put the first bar there so that it flows nicely. And I think I'm gonna leave the end out because I don't want it too crazy. I want it more tussled. Okay, y'all, look at that. That thing worked, like fast too. I've got some major crimpage going on. So far, so good. Let's move on to the next piece. I feel like the top will be the trickier part. Just because of the way the lines go, like you don't want it to look too, like if the lines line up perfectly, then you'll basically just have like, I don't know, it'll look fake instead of like more tussled and natural, if that makes sense. So the top will be the true test, I think, on how well we can pull this thing off. It's pretty simple. It's just basically hold, clamp, move down. Okay, so that's the first two pieces that I've done so far. I mean, it's working really good. So I think what I'm going to do is, just because I know y'all want to sit here and watch me do this 100 million times, I'm going to go ahead and finish this whole bottom section, and I'll come back and we'll try out the top. Okay, so this is the bottom layer done already, and y'all, surprisingly, it went like super quick. I started holding it for a little less time just to get more of a loose wave rather than these like tight crimps. So let's move on. I'm gonna pull this back into a ponytail just to keep it separate from the hair that's not done. And we are gonna do these top sections. And this brush from them, y'all, I love. So brush it out first. It's like super flexible, so it doesn't pull my hair, which I love, because even though I have long hair, I am very tender-headed. So do not like my hair to feel like it's getting ripped out. Alright, so let's start with this back piece. So I'm just holding it for like 2 seconds and working my way down, like not even hardly. Like, y'all see how fast I'm moving? And look at this. Obviously, if you want it more defined, like I did in the beginning, you can hold it longer, but look how fast that is. It's insane. I haven't really been a fan of that crimped look. I feel like my hair looks like bacon when I do it for some reason, but I'm hoping that if I go fast like this, that it'll be more of like a pretty loose tousled beachy hair. Definitely gives me like 80s vibes. Which, I mean, would also be fun, like if you're having a party. Like my daughter's birthday party is coming up next weekend. And we're doing like a dance party at night with like glow sticks and stuff out in the garage, just to kind of try to keep everyone a little distanced and outside and open. And this would probably be fun for that because it kind of is like a disco vibe. Y'all see how fast this is going. I'm pretty impressed so far. And hopefully my lines don't look crazy near the root. That's what I'm really concerned about. Because I don't want it to be like distinct lines. So I'm trying to do it more loose at the top and not like all in the same place. Do y'all see that? So that it doesn't like just make straight lines. So then this one I'll start a little higher up. But I don't hold the first one for very long because I don't want like a super like crease in the top of my head. This is surprisingly way faster than I thought it would be. Okay, so there is 1/2 of the top done. Wow. Okay. And I'm gonna move on to this side. I'll finish this side up off camera because I know y'all don't want to watch me do the same thing over and over. And I'll come back with the finished look and give y'all my final thoughts. Okay, so I just finished this last section. So let's take out all the hair. Wow. Talk about volume. If you want some volume, use this thing because this is crazy. Like I said, I'm not usually a fan of this hairstyle, but I think we can work with it. So the tool worked great. Let's go ahead and try to tame down some of it a little bit and make it a little more styled. So I think I'm gonna use some product today. So I've seen other people use this to get that beachy wave look. So this is their Salt and Sea Texturizing Spray. So I'm gonna try this. So we're gonna spray this side down, kind of scrunch it a little bit. So that definitely tamed it down a little bit. That looks better. Okay, tame down the frizziness. Okay, so here is our finished look. It's definitely some wild and crazy hair. Definitely has volume. And if you're going for that super crimped style, it definitely works. So I would give this a good review. I think it works really well, especially on all this hair. So here it is. I almost feel like for me it would look better if I pulled, what is this guy doing? But I almost feel like for me, I would probably wear it more like with this top part clipped back. I feel like that would be cuter for me, just because it is like so big with all my hair down. So this is probably how I would do it, but definitely works. So I hope this video was helpful for y'all, and if y'all enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, y'all please subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.